Here's another video of what's going on with my M5. Right now, just got it started. It's running fine. The weird thing that's happening now is if you rev the engine just a bit, you can hear it starting to misfire. When you let it go, major misfire. It's claiming cylinder 1 and 2, and any moment now it'll do that. So you saw the red line just drop from 8,000 to 4,500. As usual, engine malfunction, reduced power. Don't really know what more to do. I've now swapped all the spark plugs. I changed over a lot of the coil packs. I've pulled off the fuel injectors and cleaned them on that bank. I'm stuck and at a loss, so if anybody has any insight, I'd greatly appreciate it at this point.